Hey everyone. I'm actually headed on vacation right now, so no time to talk about cocktails this week. Okay, one for the road. All right, let's try to do this. So this week we're going to tackle another original Trader Vic cocktail that started showing up on their menus in the 1950s, the Eastern Sour. It's a good recipe to have on hand when you're in a hurry, like me, right now. Seeing as it only uses 5 fairly simple ingredients: lemon, orange, orgeat, simple syrup, and bourbon, or rye. As you can probably tell by both the name and the ingredients, it's designed to be a twist on the classic whiskey sour, and was specifically designed to celebrate the opening of the Trader Vic Toronto location. That's where the eastern part comes from. All right, let's jump in. Let's start with the orange juice, the lemon juice, orgeat syrup. In this case, we're using Liquid Alchemist, simple syrup, and now 2 ounces of bourbon or rye. In this case, I'm using rye, Michter's in this case, because I think it's going to hold up a little bit better against that sweetness of the orange juice. All right, it's shaking time. Now, the original recipe calls to shake with crushed ice and then pour the whole thing back in,
dirty ice style.
But this time, for presentation purposes and also just to make the ice last a little longer, we're going to pour it over fresh crushed ice. Let's put some cubes in to chill it as we shake it. Also just sounds cool. Just like a whiskey sour, it's all frothed up. Looks great. I'm gonna serve it in a double rocks glass or mai-tai glass. All right, let's drain it in. Nice. Wow, I filled that one up pretty well. So we're gonna sit right on top of that bed, the garnish of a lemon wheel with a cherry spear in it. Stick in a straw, and there you go. Eastern Sour. Let's see how it turned out. Oh, it's fantastic. It really is like a whiskey sour, with just a little bit more complexity and a little bit more sweetness. Really nice. It's a fairly well-balanced drink. It makes for a good alternative to a whiskey sour when you're in the mood for something a bit more complex and sweet. I definitely recommend going with the rye for its grittier, spicier flavor to stand up to the sweetness, so it's not too overpowering. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. If you like this episode, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future cocktail recipes and tiki adventures. Until then, cheers. All right, let's try to do this. So this week, we're gonna tackle another original Trader Vic cocktail. Damn. Almost took my damn finger off. Nice, nice.
Nice. Bullseye.
I'm using a thing. Looks like this thing. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. I f***ing suck at this. Okay. That's right, Tiki mugs. I'm drinking bourbon, the least Tiki spirit there is. Oh, I'm going to Tiki hell.